Looking for something easy to cook? Honestly, today was one of those days that I didn't want to do too much with dinner. So here's a quick recipe. You're gonna need some ground beef, and just go ahead and open that ground beef up and just lay it flat on a pan. Then you're gonna go ahead and flatten down the meat. You're gonna just try to make it as close as possible to the edges. Sprinkle down some seasoning as you would like. I just did salt and pepper, and then I just went ahead and put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. For these sliders, I decided to go with the sweet Hawaiian bread, and of course some regular American cheese. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and get your bread. You're going to go ahead and slice that. After you have let your meat cool, go ahead and place it on your bread. After you adjust, you will put the cheese right on top and then just go ahead and cover it up. You're going to go ahead and put the oven back on 350, but this time we're only going to do 10 minutes. It smells so good, and they were so crispy on top, nice and warm inside, and I honestly will be making these a lot more often. If you enjoyed this recipe, please comment below. Sending many positive vibes your way.